big open lot right there. Watch your kickstands in there because it's pretty soft in there.
I promise you, baby, the Easter Bunny will not hurt you. Hug the Easter Bunny, it won't hurt you. Yes.
Where's Pepe?
Still sleeping.
Oh, okay.
To us, it means a lot, very much, and we love it a lot. And there's another little one inside that when she wakes up, she'll be glad to have an Easter basket to open today.
Had these guys not brought an Easter basket, what kind of Easter would the kids have had? I mean, could they getting candy, stuffed toys, etc.?
They would have got nothing, unfortunately for me, because I don't have it. Hi. There's like a candy.
Whoa! It has corn in it!
Oh no.
Wow!
Mommy, look!
Yay!
What we try to do every year is provide Easter baskets to those children out there that are in need, which their parents are not as fortunate to provide them anything. And we do it every year. We've got 11 stops, including the hospital here in Liberty County. Total of 27 children. Unknown about how many we're going to have at the hospital. When we deliver an Easter basket to them, we want to give them so much more. We just want to show them the love and let them know that they're appreciated. It really gives us a good feeling. Sometimes it's difficult because a lot of folks don't want to stand up and give us a call because they're afraid of, it's a charity thing. But we try to tell them, look, everybody, it's hard times these days, and we try to find those kids and families that need help, and that's what we do as far as selection. Yeah, we do Christmas. The first Sunday before Christmas every year we deliver toys to the children in Liberty County. And we get the same response. Kids that cannot, that are unfortunate, we help them out.